currently on retreat in a gorgeous location in Culpeper, Virginia called Longley, and I have been inspired to recreate or reimagine this garden in front of Our Lady, Mother of Fair Love here, and to enhance it so that people can meditate while they pray. And so aspects of that come to mind right now would be just to make use of these containers that give repetition, and so that people are perhaps more inclined to walk around this pathway that's been built instead of just sit down. So they have two options to walk around, and perhaps to create a design that echoes the arc of this half circle, half moon, and consolidate some of these bushy roses. Also trying to find a focal point in the middle to create some interest for this garden to enhance meditation.